Hello everybody and welcome back to our second day of our critical vocabulary. So let us go ahead and get started on reviewing on some of the words that we learned yesterday. First we had curator, rhythmic, and foreground. Now our first word of the day today is distinctive. Now I'd like y'all to take a moment and think what distinctive might mean. Distinctive. If something is distinctive, it stands out in a way that makes it different. An example used in a sentence is the umbrella was distinctive because of its bright yellow color. So it may have been put in a group of bunch of umbrellas that are gray or black, and the bright yellow made it stand out from all the other umbrellas, making it distinctive. So our next word of the day is highlight. Take a moment and think what highlight might mean. Highlight. If you highlight something, you call attention to it. So an example used in a sentence is, Ariel will highlight the important information in her class with a yellow marker, meaning that she's calling attention to the information being used in those notes. Background is our next word, so take a moment and think what background might mean. Background. The background of a picture or a photograph contains things that are not as noticeable or important as the main objects or people in the picture or photograph. An example in a sentence is, the mountains created the perfect background for the family photograph, meaning that the family was the main center and the main topic of that photo, and in the background of it were some mountains. Now our last word of today is horizontal. Now I'd like y'all to think what horizontal might mean. Horizontal. If something is horizontal, it is at level with the ground. An example used in a sentence is, the arrow is pointing in a horizontal direction, meaning that the arrow is not pointed sideways or down, it's level with the ground, pointing in a horizontal direction. Now these have been our critical vocabulary words of the week. I would like y'all to go back and review these words whenever you can. Watch the videos, study your vocabulary cards so that you can do a wonderful job on your vocab quiz that you have coming up. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!